Have you ever seen those cinematic CGI ads like a perfume floating mid-air or a burger building slowly by itself and thought, oh, I wish I could make that? Well, now you can. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create stunning CGI product ads using free AI tools. Even if you've never done 3D designs or animations before, just like what you've been seeing on your screen, we'll go from getting the idea to generating the image to generating the video, all using AI and completely free tools. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, the first thing we need to do is to get our prompt, and I already have one generated over here. So we need two prompts, one to generate the image and then the other one to animate. In this tutorial, all the tools I'm going to be using are entirely free, so you don't have to subscribe for any. So the first, the prompt I use is I want to create CGI ads for products. I want them to be unique and attention grabbing. Give me 3 sample prompts I can use, one for a food product, jewelry, then perfume or skincare. Kindly give me prompts I can use to generate the images, then turn the images into unique videos. So this is when I wanted to create this tutorial. So if you're going to do yours, you're going to do it based on the particular niche that you're doing. So I decided to do these 3 samples just to experiment and show you the different ways you can do CGI ads for your product. So once I input this prompt, it gave me a collection of them. So as you can see, for the food, it gave me the image generation prompt and then the video. Same for the jewelry, same for the perfume and skincare. So once you have your prompts, the next thing you need to do now is to generate your images. So I'm going to just copy the prompt for the first image. Once you copy the prompt for the first image, you are going to head over to Google Gemini. So this is Google Gemini. Under Google Gemini, you're going to make sure that you have your nano banana turned on. So you click on this toggle and you make sure that you have create images turned on. So for those who are new to Nano Banana, you can check my profile for tutorial about how you create images with Nano Banana on Gemini. So once you are here, all you need to do is to paste your products and then click on enter, and it's going to generate your images for you. And it's so fast, guys. So guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this yummy? And it looks super realistic. Mind you, if you already have a product of yours, I'll just go ahead and download this and then continue the explanation. If you already have an image of yours, all you need to do is to click on this plus button, click on upload files. It will take you to your gallery, and then you attach your own image, then prompt it to use your own image with the prompt. So you get the actual image of your own product. Okay, so you can do this for all the other ones I'm going to show you. So now that we have this, we're going to go ahead now to animate them. So we're just going to go back to Chatgpt, and then we're going to copy the prompt for the animation. Now the platform we are going to be using for animating this image is called Grok AI. Grok is absolutely free. Just go to grok.com, log in with your email, and then you can get started. So they are all free to use. Next, you're going to click on this attach button here and then click on upload file. We're going to pick up the image that we just downloaded from Google Gemini, and then we allowed it to load. Once it's loaded, you click on this place that says make a video, and you drop your animation prompt there, then you click enter for it to generate. And then the amazing thing about Grok is that even if you don't prompt it, it's going to use the information it can see in your image to actually generate a good video for you. So guys, this is very, very straightforward. Let's just wait for it to finish loading and I'll show you how it looks like. Then we are going to do another product. That's another unique product. That's it, guys. Take a look at this. Isn't this yummy? Who would see this and not want to eat? So we're going to go back to ChatGPT. I told it to create a particular idea for me. So I said it should give me one for a huge handbag landing on a skyscraper in the middle of New York City. So this is an idea I've been playing around for quite a while, and I decided, oh, why not try it out? So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. So guys, don't forget, this is dependent on what your product is. If you already have a product, go ahead to just attach the image on Nano Banana, and then you can use it to generate your cinematic images that you can use for your flyers, ads, or you can animate them and use them as your CGI ads. Then aside this, you can also use this to make money. I know people who make CGI ads for people, so you can use this to also make money for yourself as a side hustle. So look at this, guys. Isn't this cute? So I'll just go ahead and download this, and then I'll go back to chat, and then I'll copy my animation prompt, and then I'll come over to Grok AI. So we're going to attach it just like we did for the food. We're going to attach it back, and then we are going to add our prompt, and then the result is mind blowing, guys. Grok AI is so amazing. If you are into even storytelling, you're into African folk tales, you're into just creating different images, Grok AI is for you when it comes to image to video generation, and it is completely and absolutely free. Guys, take a look at this. Is it, guys? Isn't this beautiful? So imagine seeing this, who would not be captivated? So guys, that is basically how you create CGI videos for your product. I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, click on that subscribe button if you haven't, because I drop educational videos like this every week. If you have any question, drop it in the comments. And if you would love a safe space where you can learn more about AI and AI tutorials, feel free to join my free community. The link is in the description. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.